Good morning, 5K. So today you're going to need your whiteboard again. If you lost it, what you need to do is go grab a piece of paper and a pencil. You are going to park these on the table, all right? Remember not to push too hard with your marker, as I showed you the other day, because otherwise your tip will go down in and then you're not going to be able to write. So, my loves, you can park this on the table. The other day, we were talking about children on a bus, right? So we drew the kids' faces on the bus. Today we're going to be talking about apples that we're setting up on the table. But we're not going to draw the table. We're just going to use the space on our whiteboard and pretend that's the table. And we're going to be doing more, some more, and some went away stories. So let's see what you remember. Here we go. Here's your first direction. Listen carefully. See if you know what to do. Everything is parked. There were 2 apples on the table. What should we do? Yeah, draw the 2 apples. So you're going to take your marker. Here's how I make an apple. Remember, this is an art class, right? So we just draw without a lot of detail. So I'm just going to draw 1 apple, 2 apples. Here's a stem. Here's a stem. That's it. We're not going to draw the leaf. We're not going to make sure they look exactly like apples. This is good enough. So my loves, I want you to make 2 apples on your whiteboard. Go. This should not take you long, because I'm just going to keep going with class. So you've got to make sure you do it. Park your pencil. Park your marker. There were 2 apples on the table, and then your mommy brought you 2 more. Mommy went to the store, came home, and brought 2 more apples. What should we do to show that Mommy brought 2 more? Yeah, let's draw a line. And then draw how many more? 2. Draw 2 more apples, and then park your marker. Park your marker. My loves, we need to find out how many apples are on the table now, because we started off with just 2, but then Mommy went to the store and brought home 2 more. Maybe she brought 1 for your daddy and maybe 1 for your brother or your sister if you have one. So now all of you can have 1. We need to count how many apples there are. So touch and count with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many apples are on the table? 4. With your marker, I want you to write the number 4 anywhere on your whiteboard. My tongue is twisted this morning. Whiteboard. Write the number 4 anywhere on your whiteboard. Now, my loves, be careful. Don't push too crazy hard with your, there we go, hold it over here so you can see it, with your eraser, okay? What I want you to do is when I count down, by the time I get to 0, you should have this part. Remember how we did it the other day? Okay, ready? You have 5 seconds to erase. Ready, go. 5, 4. When you're done, your marker's parked. 3, so you're not playing with it. You're ready to listen. 2, 1, and done. Your marker's parked. You're ready to listen. Your whiteboard is all cleaned off. Here's your next story. Your daddy went to the store and picked, he picked so many. He picked 5 apples. What should we do if Daddy went to the store and picked up a bag that had 5 apples in it and put them on the table? What should we do? Yeah, let's draw 5 apples. Now, can I make them as big as I did the last time? No, I have to make them smaller so they fit, right? So, my loves, I want you to draw 5 apples. Whisper count as you make them. Don't count loudly. Whisper count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're done, your marker's parked. Now, it's really easy to tell when we have 2 apples. That's why we didn't double check the last time, because your eyes can see, oh yeah, 1, 2. But now it's a little tricky for our eyes and our brains to know if we actually have 5. So smart mathematicians always double check. So count and double check with me. Take your finger and go, whoop. Touch and count with me. Ready? We should have 5. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 apples on the table. Then I came over to your house. I knocked on your door and I brought you 3 more. I hope you have room. I brought you 3 more apples. If I brought you more, what do I need to do first before I draw those apples? I need to make a line so my brain can see first I started off with this many. Now I'm getting more, some more. I want you to draw 3 apples. Whisper count as you do it. Shh, shh, quiet, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tuck your marker when you're done. Holy moly, we have a lot of apples to count, don't we? How many apples are on the table now? Let's touch and count them. Take your finger, touch and count with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we need to make crazy 8. So take your marker. Can I make 2 circles? Can I make a snowman 8? Make an S and go back home. You got it. All right, so you're going to make an S anywhere. Make an S and go back home. Anywhere on your whiteboard that you have room to make the letter 8. The number 8. 8 is a number, not a letter. I do that all the time. All right, my loves, we are going to do some went away story. So I need you to erase. There's a lot of apples to erase. So I'm going to give you 8 seconds. All right, ready? When you're done, your marker's parked. Ready? Go. 8, 7, 6. You got to go quick to beat me, but careful. 5, quick and careful. 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Your marker's parked. My loves, here's what happened. I came over to your house and I brought you 6 apples. What do we need to do if I came over to your house and I brought you 6 apples? Yeah, we need to draw the apples. Whisper count as you draw, okay? Whisper count as you draw. 6 apples. Your marker's parked when you're done. And remember I read you the story last week of making a pie with the apples? So I came over and I made a pie with you. And we used 4 apples in a pie. We made a little pie. Usually I use 6 of them to make a pie, but we're going to make a little pie. So we're just going to use 4. What am I going to do to show that I used up 4 of those apples? Can I erase them? I don't want to do that. What can I do to show that I lost 4? I'll cross them off. And can I start here at the beginning? No. Middle? No. I start at the back. I start at the end, the back. You're going to cross off 4. Count with me as we cross them off. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Park your marker. Your marker is parked. So if we used up 4 of the 6 apples to make a pie, that's going to be delicious. How many apples are left? I want you to touch and count and then talk to me. Tell me on the computer. How many apples are left? Yeah, there are 2 apples that we did not cross off. We still have 2 apples that we can eat. Awesome. We need to write the number 2. Write the number 2 anywhere on your whiteboard that you have room. Curve around. Slide to the right. It should be pointy down here. Not looking like an S. Now, my loves, what you're going to do is you are going to erase. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Oof, you're going to have to do it fast, but careful. Don't be messy and crazy. Okay, ready, set, go. Erase in 5, 4, 3. Try to beat me. Park your marker and your eraser. 2, 1. All right. I am not going to show you on here anymore. I'm just going to use my big whiteboard. I wanted to show you so you see how you should make it fit on yours. But I'm not going to keep doing 2 of them, okay? Because you get it now, don't you? Yeah. All right. My loves, 1 more, then we're going to go to our worksheet, okay? This time, there are only 3 apples on the table. What do we need to do if there are 3 apples on the table? Yeah, draw 3 apples. Do it. Whisper count if you need to. Go. 1, 2, 3. Mark your marker when you're done. Now, we're going to pretend that one day you got so hungry that you ate 3 apples for a snack. Ooh. Now your tummy's a little bit bigger because you just ate 3 whole apples. If you ate those 3 apples, what do we need to do? To show that now they're not there because they're in your tummy, so they're no longer sitting on the table. What do we need to do to show that those apples left? Someone to weigh. We need to cross them off. How many did I say you ate? 3. Cross off 3, starting at the back. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Park your marker. How many apples are left? I'm trying to trick you. How many apples are left? 0. Look at, you crossed off every single apple, so how many apples are left? 0. You have no apples left. My loves, you are going to write a 0 anywhere on your whiteboard. Park your marker. And my loves, I'm only going to give you 4 seconds to erase because this is not very hard. So you are erased in 4. Erase, erase. 3, 2, 1, and done. My loves, what you're going to do is cap your marker. Make sure that when you put the cap on, you hear it snap. If you need to ask your daddy, your mommy, your granny, or if your auntie's helping you, ask them to help you to make it snap so that you can have this to use the next time and it's not dried out. My loves, what you're going to do next is you're going to take out your packet. So you are going to go to Thursday. That's today. We did this morning and you colored it so nicely. You are going to find this page, 15A. And we're going to do this together. So you need 15A in your packet, your pencil, and your crayons. Your packet, pencil, crayons. Go. All right. I am all set up. What I would like you to do, let me scooch this so you can see. There we go, my sweets. What I would like you to do is write your name at the top, and you should write it very neatly. So, my loves, write your name and then park your pencil. Make sure your letters sit on that line. Now, I have my name take care. Your pencil's parked. Giving a little bit of time if you have a longer name to finish. What number is this? A 1 and a 4. Well, I told you that every teen number starts with a 1, right? So this is a teen number. So if you don't know what number that is, Use your name tag to count. That's why I gave this to you. The alphabet's on here, left and right, how you spell your first and your last name, and all of your numbers are on there. So my sweets, let's start at 5. We need to find out what number this 1 and a 4 makes. So count with me. Ready, set, go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What number is that? 14. My loves, what I need you to do is trace your 14. These two, and then park your pencil. Go. Make sure you stay right on those lines. If you trace fast and sloppy, please erase it. Your pencil's parked when you're done with those 14s. All right, my sweets, what number goes with the chocolate chip? Yeah, the number 1. So the number 4 is going to go right after it, okay? This is not the number 1 and then the number 4 goes way over here. No, no, no. A 1 and a 4, and then the next chocolate chip is the next number 1 and a 4. So my sweets, what I need you to do is write 14 2 more times very neatly, all by yourself. Ready? Go. Make sure you slide on that middle line for your 4 and then cut it in 2. When you're done, park your pencil. So that way I know you're not playing with it. I almost rolled off. Awesome. Now what we need to do is we need to tell how many 10s and 1s there are in the number 14. So please take your pencil. We're going to draw a line right in between this last 1 and 4. So you're going to draw a line right in between those two numbers. Park your pencil. Which number is in the 10s place? How many 10s are there in the number 14? Which number's in the 10s place? You're looking at these two numbers. So you will either tell me 1 or 4. Who's in the 10s place? Yeah, the number 1. 10 starts with the letter T. So on top of the number 1, you're going to write a T for 10s. Park your pencil. Which number's in the 1s place? Which number's in the 1s place? The number 4. There's 4 extra 1s. The word 1, how you spell the number 1, starts with an O. So you're going to make an O. And park your pencil. Now we get to do exactly what we've been practicing on our whiteboards. Are you ready? Show me your silent excitement. Okay. It says there were 6 apples on the table. Draw the apples on the table. Okay. So if there are 6 apples on the table, what do we need to do? Yeah, we need to draw 6 apples. Am I going to draw the leaf and all that stuff? No, just the apples. Ready? 6 of them. Whisper count if you need to. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you're done, your pencil's parked. I'm giving you time to finish drawing. Smart mathematicians always double check. I love when I see students here in the room who after they draw, they put their pencil down on their name tag and then they count and double check to see if they actually have that right number. So let's double check to see if we have 6. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do. Then there's some more directions. It says Victor ate 1 apple. Oh, our friend Victor came and ate one of those. What do we need to do to show that he ate one? Yeah, we need to cross off. Where do I start crossing off the apples? At the back. So he ate 1. So how many am I crossing off? 1. All right, 5K, do that. Cross off 1 apple. Go. Park your pencil. The directions even say cross out the apple Victor ate. But you already knew that because you're so smart. It says, how many apples are on the table now? Let's count. Let's figure it out. Count with me. Ready? Touch the ones that are not crossed off. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On this little line, you need to make a 5. Down and around and give it a hat. How many apples are on the table now? 5 apples are on the table. Park your pencil. Your next directions say write the numbers from 6 to 9. If we need to write them from 6 to 9, what number are we going to start with? 6. It says 6 to 9. So right over here on this road, you see the spaces in between? Then this is where you write one number, your next number, your next number, your next number. We're going to write 6. So you're going to start at the top. Curl all the way down to the bottom. Slant on down. And give it a curl. All those little sayings get a little mixed up in my brain sometimes. If you did not curl all the way up to that middle line, please erase it and fix it. Park your pencil so you have nothing in your hands. What comes next? Let's count. Ready? Go. 6, 7. After 6 comes 7. If you don't know, you can look at your name tag. After 6 comes 7. So you're going to slide to the right on that top line and then slant down. Crooked line down. Park your pencil. Good, let's count. What comes next? Count with me. Ready? Go. 6, 7, 8. All right, you ready? Crazy 8 time. Here we go. Make an S all the way to the bottom and go back home. If you need to erase it and fix it and do it again, good, please do. I want you to fix it if you didn't do it right. And just pause me. That's okay. Park your pencil. What goes last? You ready? Count with me. Ready, set, go. 6, 7, 8, 9. So take your pencil for your 9. Make sure your circle fills that whole top space. A circle and a line make number 9. Or make a circle and go straight down. All right, my loves, you don't need this anymore, but you do need to take out 3 colors, so listen carefully. This is what I do sometimes when I want you to turn your ears on. I go like this. I want you to do that. Turn your ears on. Ready? Go. Okay, you ready? You need to take out blue, green, and yellow. Blue, green, yellow. Go. Sometimes at school, I just show you the colors, and I say, you need to take out these ones. And then I stand here real quiet, and you take them out really quietly. When you're done and you have these 3 color crayons out, I want you to park them on the table. Blue, green, and yellow. The directions say, color the shape with 4 sides blue. Which one of these shapes has 4 sides? If we don't know, let's count. Oh, I think maybe this one. Let's count. Does this one have 4 sides? Touch and count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no, that does not have 4. Which one has 4? Yeah, the square. We're going to color that one blue. Take your blue, color the square blue. Please don't scribble. I know you just want to be done with your work, but still do a neat job. Stay in the lines, try your best. Fill in all those white spaces. All right, when you're done, your color's parked. The next direction says, color the shape with 3 angles green. What does angle mean? Yeah, angle means corner. So which one has 3 corners? The triangle. Where's the triangle? Count the angles with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. That one is green. Color your triangle green. Make sure you stay in the lines. Color carefully and slowly. Move your crayon slow. And then Your final direction says, your green is parked. Color the shape on the right yellow. Which one's the right? Let's do our little hand thing. Ready, set, go. This is my left hand. This is my right. So which one's on the right? Ding, ding, ding. This one is yellow. Color that shape yellow. This shape, remember it had 5 sides? That's a pentagon, but you don't have to remember that. You'll learn about those when you get bigger. All right. Coloring the pentagon, the 5-sided shape, yellow. All right, my sweets, you are all done. So what I would like you to do is ask your dad, your mom, your granny, whichever grown-up is helping you, to take a picture and put this in the blue math folder. I love you. Thanks for doing such good work. Bye.